Easygenerator has been amazing because it's been able to make the learning interactive with lots of flip cards and questions instead of just asking them to read an SMPC, which has got a lot of technical terms and just a lot of writing. And it's fantastic. And it'll probably take them about 5 minutes for them to actually go through an SMPC and read it and answer all the questions.
The challenge we have with online learning is a lot of the time it doesn't relate to the complex challenges that we have and the complex topics. You know, we're a quite niche, a niche kind of environment. That's why with Easygenerator, we can create the content ourselves, and actually we know what our people need to learn, and we can target our training to that.
We had a lot of legacy content. Each one of these training PowerPoints were at least 100 pages full of really dense information. There was a lot of really great information in there, trapped in the notes as well. And it was surprisingly easy to go from 1,500 PowerPoint pages to almost 250 courses. It sounds insane, but we managed it, so yeah.
When we were learning, it was hours and hours of college in the evenings and things like that. And now we're able to say just focus particular subjects, and they can all interact in their own times or, you know, whilst at work. In something that might have taken us 2 or 3 hours to deliver, they've now got a presentation and a course that they can do in kind of 15-20 minutes and have block questions at the end.
The event so far has been fantastic. I find that these events where like-minded people in similar roles come together is so much more beneficial. Bounce ideas of people in the same role, different companies, is invaluable. Everybody learns something, everybody's got the same hurdles, but it's just nice to understand how they're negotiating those hurdles.